Hey guys, I'm Christen Dominique and I'm so excited to share with you guys sweater weather. So this is our first mini palette. I absolutely love how easy and portable it is. You can just throw it in your purse. It has a little mirror on it so you can see what you're doing no matter what situation you're in. I love that it's all cool tones. Normally we're used to warm tones, but I wanted to switch it up a little bit and add some grays, purples, and mauves, which is perfect for any skin tone. They really pop on the lightest to deepest skin tones, especially this lavender purple right here. It is one of my favorite. I'm actually wearing it right now. On deeper skin tones, it really pops. And also this gray taupe, which is sweater weather, is great for the crease, or if you want, you can contour your nose with it if you have a little brush in your purse or your cheekbones. I always add a multi-purpose shade in my palettes, so that's kind of a cool thing with our brand. If you want to add drama to your look, this deep plum brown is perfect for that. This is Messy Bun, and I love her for adding all the drama to the eyes. I like to sweep it across the entire eyelid. It makes your eyes really pop no matter what color they are. And also Cuddle. How cute is that? Like, I love this shade. It's pink, it's cuddly, it's cozy. I actually really like to use this on my cheeks as well. It's an all over the eye, face. You can use it anywhere and it's gonna make your face just look so fresh and pretty. It's such a full circle moment to be in the Glam Bag Plus. I'm so honored to be here with Dominique Cosmetics, and thank you IPSY for making my dreams come true.